Okay, hello everybody. My name is Adriana Marmolejo. We are talking about this video for the activity and the speaking activity for the material designer phase and environment. This is step number 3. Now, I continue. I play the video. I am talking about the the happen in this video. Uh, the topic is the travel of the Fran is protagonist. This is the video. He's he's a talk, he's told about travel around the Colombia in different places and different towns and different place where it, it was. If you was is with your mother or the other people, no? But when the begin, okay, the video is this is Colombia Fran talk, yes, and the video is talking about the place where is done. He's live in the of capital city in Bogota, in Colombia. This place is Catemagola, where in Montserrat. This is a top 10, the favorite place for her, no? For it, excuse. He say it's love of my country. Uh, for a long time, he's traveled for Colombia and say, "Oh, okay, this is closer to my city, Cali. Cali, everybody dance, say, but is many the school of the salsa in Cali is say the people is very smiling, very happy, very friendly with the other people. Yes, undescribable. This say is until good when they stay here in Cali. Number 9 is Salamina. Salamina is un pueblito de patrimonio of Colombia. And this is a town more tourist, but the street is in the rock is your architecture and your house is historical and it's original. It is unlike this town, Salamina. Valle del Cocora. Valle del Cocora is in Quindío, no? Jardín. Jardín is a town of the Quindío. This todo is all is beautiful in this town. Okay, I love this place. Okay, this is a bear. In Spanish is gallito de roca. Number 7, Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta. I like it, the mountains. I like the mountain is closer with the clouds. And can you see the mountains? And can you see the sea? It's incredible. This this place is natural. It's natural. It's bare. can be hiking, uh, it can swimming, it can reading. It's a spectacular this place. But typical goes, it's closer for me and this wall, the Jorobadas. And this place is visited only in the month of the August, September, October. Violence, the violence is wall. On the nature in this place is wonderful. The sea on the hotel and say the hotel it is spectacular. It's very small, it's very simple, but the people is very nice with this. Is this and say to this adventure. This is adventure for the many nature in this place. Action, this is action. Say number 5, Willa. Willa of the destination of the department is in this place is Architect Park. Architect the place is beautiful place for your mother. La panela is Ricky, very sweet and very like it. And she is a like and your mother too. Mm. It is for very close to Bogota, say, but he is live in Bogota. Now, Bogota. Bogota of the capital is many places for the enjoy, restaurants, museums, cafes, whatever and ever to meet people, to know new people. It's lovely of Bogota. Number 3, Casanare. Casanare is very closer, so closer to Bogota. Is for the cowboys of Colombia. The cowboy of Colombia is nature too, is the jungle, is the anacondas, squirrels, live in this town, on this department. The number 2, La Guajira. La Guajira is a department all at north of Colombia. It's a beautiful place. It's very, very spectacular. It's closer for the sea, the ocean Atlantic. Is desert. Is the place is Cabo de la Vela. In the Cabo de la Vela, not connection of the phone, but the border is soft, is yes, no electricity and safety. No mobile signal. Punta Gallina say Punta Gallina is wonderful words. Number 1, the place is say Barichara. In Barichara is a town, a small town in Santander. It's an incredible place for the study, for your places, for your attitude, for the clothes. In this, for the clothes of the Cañón de Chicamocha, Barichara is to celebrate the Festival of Cine. Okay, now this is Dubai, and he is invited the other people to meet Colombia, to know this place, and invite and subscribe and like every video. Okay, now goodbye, and goodbye. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this like this activity or the speaking. Goodbye.